Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and today I am going to show you how to watch Facebook Reels Chrome. So, guys, of course, first thing that you will do is you could just simply go ahead and open up your Chrome, and now you could just simply go to fb.com or facebook.com and make sure to sign in into your account. And now, once you are signed in, guys, you could just simply go ahead and go for the videos over here. So this is the first option, or you could just simply go ahead and go to the videos icon at the top over here in order for you to filter out your Facebook. Now, here on the Facebook videos, as you can see, our home will be a bunch of videos like reels, videos, and now in order for you to filter it out, as you can see on the left side of the screen, you will have an option over here, reels. So pretty much here on the reels, you will have a special interface. As you can see over here, that is facebook.com/reel. And as you can see, you can scroll down by selecting this icon down below on the right side of the screen. And now from here, you should be able to watch some reels on your Chrome. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.